Please like, subscribe, and share.
5 little penguins went up a hill, waddling slowly, what a thrill. Mama Penguin called with a happy squill, "Come back, penguins, but only 4 slid still." Waddle, waddle, slide so chill, up they go, then down the hill. Mama Penguin called with a loud squeal, "Come back, penguins, but only 4 shrank still." 4 little penguins went up a hill, jumping on ice with all their skill. Mama Penguin called with a loving trill, "Come back, penguins, but only 3 stayed still." 3 little penguins went up a hill, slipping and sliding, what a thrill. Mama Penguin called, her voice so shrill, "Come back, penguins, but only 2 stayed still." 2 little penguins went up a hill, dancing on snow they had their fill. Mama Penguin called, "Be careful, Bill, come back, penguins, but only 1 stayed still." One little penguin went up a hill, sliding so fast a frosty thrill. Mama Penguin called, "Oh, what a spill! Come back, penguin," but none sat still. Oh, no little penguins went up the hill, the snowy world was calm and still. Mama Penguin called, "It's time to chill," and 5 little penguins came waddling still.